Mark, ano pong ibig sabihin ng earnest money?
Earnest money minsan, parang down payment yan. Ibig sabihin, parang guarantee na hindi mag-back out si buyer. So magbayad ka ng earnest money, for example, 5% or kahit 1% of the purchase price. Parang down payment yan, reservation, or pwede or tinatawag na guarantee na hindi mag-back out si buyer. Okay. Depende yan, yung tinatawag na earnest money, depende kung binigay yung earnest money sa contract of sale or sa contract to sell. Pag binigay yung earnest money sa contract of sale, it is part of the purchase price. Kasama yon, ibig sabihin, yung magkano yung presyo, bawasan yung sa earnest money. Or it is also considered as an evidence of perfection of the contract. Ibig sabihin, may kontrata. Kasi nagbayad ka ng down payment, nagbayad ka ng konting certain percentage of the purchase price, may kontrata. Yun ang earnest money. But kung contract to sell, maging part lang yan sa purchase price only if the sale is consummated. You see, sale is consummated. May after ng mag-execute sila ng deed of absolute sale, doon pa lang maging part yung earnest money sa purchase price.